Hello everyone, if you are an Indian pharmacist looking at Australia for 2026, the road has never been clear. The old KAPS era is over, the OPRA exam is the new gold standard. Today I am going to give you the most up-to-date step-by-step guide to making your Australian dream a reality. What is OPRA? OPRA stands for Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. It's a smart, computer-based adaptive exam. Unlike traditional tests, OPRA uses RAST methodology, meaning the difficulty of questions adjusts based on your performance. It's designed to prove you have clinical knowledge to thrive into Australian pharmacy. Section 2. Huge eligibility change for 2026. There is a massive update you need to know. As of January 8, 2026, you no longer need to active State Pharmacy Council registration in India to start your application. Whether you are a fresh B Pharma, M Pharma or Pharm D graduate, you can apply immediately after finishing your degree. This one change has changed months of waiting for thousands of candidates. Section number 3. The latest 2026 fee structure. Now let's talk numbers. The fees has been updated for the 2026 sessions. Here is what you need to budget. Eligibility check, $810 Australian dollars. And good news, these are now often processed within just 5 days time. OPRA exam fees, double to 45 Australian dollars. Assessment outcome letter, it will cost you 300 AUD. The total investment is roughly 3,355. Always keep an eye on the exchange rate. Section number 4, exam pattern and focus. The exam is one single paper, 120 questions in 150 minutes. There are no negative markings, so you should attempt every single question. Syllabus is clinical, 45% of the exam focused on therapeutics and patient care. You will be also tested on pharmacology, biomedical sciences and medicinal chemistry. It's not about rote learning anymore, it's about how you had treat a patient in a real world scenario. Section 5, 2026 deadlines and pathway. Ready to book? The next major window is July 2026 with registration closing on June 15. There is also a November session. You can take the exam right here in India at Pearson UVE centers in cities like Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore. Once you pass OPRA, hit your English target like PTE or IELTS, you move to a paid internship in Australia. You will be earning while completing your 1,575 hours supervised practice. After this, you will be eligible to sit intern written and oral exams. Once you pass both tests, then only you can become a fully registered pharmacist in Australia. The entire journey seems overwhelming when you try to navigate it alone. But if you get the right guidance from an authentic expert pharmacist, then it will be a complete game changer, transforming confusion into clarity, making the entire process smoother, safer and far less stressful. To begin your preparation with elite expertise, comment OPRA. We will guide you with every step-by-step process. Good luck with the preparation. Thank you so much.